The new year starts in just a few days, but many are still reflecting on the troubling times during 2020 caused by the pandemic. Lane Ball spoke with a COVID-19 survivor in Clarksburg about her experience after testing positive.
Many are sharing their survivor stories through social media these past couple of weeks, but others are going beyond the internet and taking a more direct approach. 32-year-old Clarksburg, West Virginia resident Nisha Bennett reached out to our station early Saturday morning. Bennett tested positive for COVID-19 on December 7th and was then forced to quarantine for 3 weeks. But before that, her symptoms seemed normal during the winter season.
Started out like a cold. A week later, I went to Med Express and they told me I was positive. I just was afraid of how it was going to affect me and, what would happen with it.
Bennett, like many in the U.S., was forced to stay home from work, putting her in a financial crisis. Now, she is back at work, but only working once a week. Bennett says even after testing negative and coming off of quarantine, her life hasn't gone back to normal.
People just kind of treat you different. I mean, they don't treat you like a human being. They kind of treat you like you're a disease.
Before the pandemic, Bennett says she was diagnosed with a respiratory condition, and contracting COVID-19 only made it worse. She is currently dealing with breathing issues caused by her previous exposure to the virus, but says it could have been much worse. In the U.S., more than 300,000 COVID-related deaths have been reported this year. In an effort to prevent the spread, the CDC is still urging everyone to wear their face masks and social distance. Bennett says she is unsure when and where she was exposed. Now, she is sending out a message to anyone leaving their home.
I don't think people realize how bad COVID really is. Some people are just really careless, and some people don't wear a mask. No matter what you do, you can still catch it.